Welcome to part 2 of this video. It's now time to work with the jointer planer on the slabs that we have cut previously. And this is the result of the jointing, and now there's the thickness planing going on the DeWalt DW50. Very old but very nice machine. Took a bit of adjustment, but everything went pretty much smooth in the end. And now we are dividing the boards, splitting them in two parts to reach the final thickness of 16 millimeters, so we can then join them and make the shelves. As you can see, I'm doing this both sides because the maximum depth of cut of the table saw is not enough. And this is the result. Now back to the planer again to remove the imperfections created from splitting on the table saw. And now we will speed up things a bit so I can show all of them from this nice angle. And this is the result. And while I was shooting, I was listening to Prodigy. I didn't figure out it was this loud on my headphones. Here I made some alignment marks to mark the location for the biscuits. And then it was time to get busy with the biscuit joiner. You can see my concentrated face with the tongue sticking out. Yeah, maximum focus. For obvious time reasons, I don't show how to make the holes for the biscuits in all the boards, but now I'm showing you how I jointed them together. It's basically the same procedure for all the boards that I've made for the two shelves and for the front and the sides and the top of this piece of furniture. Some glue on the sides of the boards, some glue on the biscuit holes, and then we just put the biscuits in and put everything together by hand, pushing it a bit before putting it on the clamps that I have built on purpose for this building process, because I didn't have clamps long enough. Here's the clamps. As you can see, I have done 4 of them, and they are the same that Easy Swan built on his channel. They work absolutely great, and I'm glad I found that video on YouTube because it basically solved my problem for free. And then the day after, I took it out. Now some sanding, which is never fun, but with a good aspiration system is at least less of a torture. and then some plastering for some minor imperfections here and there. All of the above, of course, for both sides. Oh, of course, for the usual time reasons you won't see it here, but after plastering there was sanding again. And this is a close-up of the result. And I'm back on the steel structure, giving it several coats of satin black. Turned out pretty good. And now it's time to bring the wood panels to the desired width. Then also do the right length, so I'm tracing a line for the size and then another line for the circular saw fence. And here I'm marking and cutting off the spaces that will be needed to accommodate the shelves around the steel tubing. And this concludes part 2 of the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching once again.